Hey guys, welcome to the BodyFX review, and I'll share my experience with you. Is BodyFX right for you or not? Keep watching this BodyFX review till the end. I recently came across BodyFX, an online workout program that offers a 30-day free trial. I decided to give it a try, and I'm so glad I did. The workouts are challenging but doable, and the results are amazing. I've never felt so strong and toned. Plus the program is extremely affordable. I would highly recommend BodyFX to anyone looking for a great workout program. It's perfect for people who want to start working out or those wanting a new challenge. The video makes it easy to stay motivated and keep up with your routine even when you're away from home. It also comes with motivational tips on how to eat right in order to reach your fitness goals faster. You can sign up for a month at a time, which makes it really flexible and convenient too. One of my favourite things about BodyFX is that the workouts are very diverse. There are lots of different types of exercises to help you achieve your fitness goals, whether they be weight loss, muscle building, getting stronger, or something else entirely. For me personally, I wanted something more intense than what was offered at my gym. BodyFX has given me just what I need in a way that suits my busy schedule. I have a hard time finding the motivation to work out, but BodyFX gives me daily reminders on my phone and makes it easy to find time. Plus, I feel like all my hard work is paying off as I watch myself get stronger every day. The only problem? Now I know BodyFX works, there is no way I'm ever going back to my regular old gyms again. So if you're interested in BodyFX, then visit the link I put in the video description below, where you can access BodyFX free trial for 30 days. You don't need to pay any money till 30 days. I started the BodyFX workout program about 2 months ago and have loved it. The workouts are tough, but they are also a lot of fun, and I've seen some great results so far. I'm down 10 pounds and my energy levels are through the roof. I feel like I can do anything now, and you should see how strong my arms are. A lot of people told me that when you work out at home, it's just not as intense or effective as working out in the gym or with a personal trainer. But those people were wrong. Working out on your own is actually better for you because you don't need to worry about being embarrassed by somebody who doesn't want to share the equipment with you. Plus, no one will judge you if you take an extra break to have an extra bit of water instead of waiting in line at a machine. And if there's something difficult that I don't know how to do, I can easily find instruction videos online to help me get the hang of it. Now I have more time than ever before to cook healthy meals for myself to make sure all my meals contain lots of protein, which has helped me gain muscle faster than ever before. I decided to try BodyFX after seeing an ad for a free 30-day trial. I was curious about the program and wanted to see if it could help me get in shape. After signing up, I received a welcome email with a link to download the app. Followed the instructions and started using BodyFX. I quickly noticed that the app is different from any other workout routine I have done before. The exercises are set to various beats that help motivate you and keep you on track during your workout session. The exercises were also designed by a team of fitness experts, so they're easy enough for anyone of any fitness level to do. I only used the BodyFX app for 2 weeks before deciding this program is perfect for me. I really liked how easy it was to follow along, even when doing exercise moves like burpees or squats, which can be tough otherwise. So to make it easier, I put the 30-day free trial link in these videos' descriptions below. I love that the BodyFX is a highly intense, full body workout. I also like that it's a cardio and strength training workout. Plus, the fact it's only 30 minutes long makes it very doable for me. I also like that the workouts are always different, so I never get bored. There are various fitness plans to help you reach your fitness goals. The coaches push you to do better than what you think your body is capable of. I've also made a lot of friends who are all super supportive of each other, and we all cheer each other on. It really helps my confidence when I'm working out because people see me as strong. One of my favourite things about the BodyFX is that I'm always learning. The coaches are always coming up with new workouts, new ways to challenge us and keep us on our toes. I feel they really care about us and our health. They keep tabs on how we're doing and help us with tips when we need them, and even suggest we come in earlier if we haven't been as dedicated as usual. I started my fitness journey about a year ago, and I have never really worked out before, and I was definitely not eating healthily. I started seeing results pretty quickly, but I really wanted to see even more results. That's when I decided to try BodyFX. BodyFX is an intense workout with weights and cardio that gets your heart rate up and tones your muscle. BodyFX is like CrossFit without the complicated movements and equipment needed for it. And the best part of BodyFX is you don't need any equipment or special clothes. You can do it anywhere, anytime. So that's it, guys. If you want to try BodyFX out after watching this video, then I put the 30-day free trial in the link of the video description below. If you have any questions, then ask in my comment sections. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching BodyFX Reviews, and good luck.